Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Aidan Fry and I'm here from Diffblue showing you about a new feature within the plugin called TestReview. So we developed TestReview to show you, to give you a bit more access and control over what we're providing within the plugin. So this is TestReview. I'm just going to show you a few features of it. So this is how you enable it. It's in early access mode. We'll keep developing it based on your feedback. So please do leave a comment below or enter the survey. So yeah, go and turn it on. That'd be great. Thank you very much. And let's go write some tests. So this is just a very simple demonstration project, a snack cupboard with various times I can ask it what snacks I should be eating. So let's have a look. This is all pretty normal up to now, up until this point where you get the option to review now. So this is how we have changed a few things. So let's just grab this up. So pick me a good snack. So this cover has been unable to create me a test for this, and I'm not too sure why. There's some good examples down here of this, but if we look up here at pick me a good snack, it returns a random. Okay, so you can't unit test a random. Obviously this is something that's wrong on the development side, so we're going to approach this like TDD. So what TestReview allows me to do, instead of just providing you this partial with not too much information, I can go straight in, read what's happened, turn it on, and creates the test that I want. Let's have a look, get some assertions, equals, and so the actual result should always be, of course, chocolate. So we'll go ahead and accept that, and at that point it gets inserted into our code base. The next thing we look at now is, okay, let's look at some of the tests. What can I eat? So we're looking up, okay, what can I eat? We've got various if statements here. So 1 o'clock I can eat vegetables, okay. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon I can start eating chocolate, okay. And at 5 o'clock I can eat cakes, great. Now we have the inverse. So this is just when I'm eating, what time must it be? Inverse of the if statement. So okay, if we're eating vegetables, it must be after 0 o'clock or midnight. Chocolates, it must be after 2 o'clock, and then cakes, it must be after 5 o'clock. Cool, okay, I've just reviewed them by going this left and right here. I can insert them like this if I want. It's just a standard diff view, and I can accept all. So that's it. I've reviewed all my tests and they're now within my code base, so I'm pretty happy with them. And I'm going to go and run them. So I'm just going to run it again because the random gods worked in my favor there. Here we go. Alright, so the test that we approached like TDD has failed, of course, because the code is returning a random and I've asked it to always return chocolate. So let's go fix it. So we go back in, okay, instead of this we go chocolate, great. That should always return chocolate. Cool. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to make a mistake. Let's say you can also eat chocolate all the time, apart from after 5 o'clock. So that's a mistake. That's an error that I've introduced. And let me show you how TestReview helps with these two situations. So what you'll see now this time around, I'm writing tests again. Instead of the 7 tests to review, we recognize and we go, the tests that we're providing are the same, apart from in these two situations. So let's open that up and let's see what the difference is. So first things first, it's recognized, I don't know if anyone spotted this, my assertion is the wrong way around. When we do assertions, we'd like to have it this way around. So yeah, okay, so pick me a good snack. It's returning the value that I'm expecting, but it's picked up a formatting error. Great. Next thing is, okay, I can see that what I can eat at 1 o'clock is chocolate. It used to be vegetables. This seems incorrect. And if I go and look at the code, I can see, oh yeah, that's the mistake that I introduced. So at this point, I can reject. So that means the test that's provided by cover just goes away. There's no use for it. We don't want that. And what we can see is that the test remains the veggie. The test fails. And we can now go fix that. So of course we'll go back to veggies, and great. Run tests again, just run write tests again, just for good measure. At this point, there should be no differences. Everything we've either accepted or modified so that it should pass. Here we go. So yeah, everything was the same. We don't need to review anything this time. Cool, let's go and have a look and just run our tests for good measure. Okay, so that's it. That's what test review is. You can go in, as I showed you earlier, into your Diffblue settings and turn this on or off. If you can turn it on, that would be great. We'll get lots of great feedback from you in our questionnaire, in our surveys down below. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. That's test review. Go and give it a try.